When it comes to predicting the future, one name stands out: Ray Kurzweil. This tech visionary has spent over 6 decades shaping the field of artificial intelligence, consistently making predictions that have amazed even skeptics. But what does Kurzweil foresee for our future? In this video, we explore some of his jaw-dropping predictions for 2050 that could completely reshape our understanding of life, technology, and what it means to be human. If you're new here, please subscribe for more AI updates. Each video takes a lot of effort to create, and your support will help me keep improving my work. Kurzweil isn't just any futurist, he's the mind behind many technologies we use today, from pioneering speech recognition software to accurately predicting the rise of the internet. His insights have always been ahead of their time, and as we edge closer to a new era of technological innovation, Kurzweil's predictions hold even more significance. These forecasts aren't random guesses, they come from someone who's been at the cutting edge of tech for over half a century. So what can we expect by 2050? First, Kurzweil predicts the emergence of artificial general intelligence, AGI, by 2029. Unlike current AI, which excels at specific tasks like answering questions or generating images, AGI would have human-level cognitive abilities across a broad range of functions, including learning new skills, solving complex problems, and understanding emotions. Kurzweil believes the exponential growth in computing power will make AGI a reality far sooner than most experts predict. The implications of AGI are profound, transforming industries like healthcare and finance while raising ethical questions about machines' roles in our lives. Secondly, Kurzweil foresees humanity reaching longevity escape velocity by the early 2030s, where medical advancements will extend life faster than time progresses, essentially halting aging. With AI-driven medicine and biotechnology, diseases like cancer and heart disease could be curable, and regenerative medicine might restore tissues and organs, allowing humans to live for centuries. This vision raises both exciting and daunting societal questions about how we'll support an indefinitely living population. Third, Kurzweil's most famous prediction is the singularity, expected by 2045. This refers to a moment when technological growth becomes uncontrollable, resulting in a merging of humans and AI into a new form of superintelligence. In this future, our brains will interface directly with machines, dramatically expanding our cognitive capabilities and altering our perception of intelligence and identity. Fourth, Kurzweil suggests that by 2030, AI assistants will be as common as smartphones, managing our schedules, finances, and even creativity. These AI companions would proactively anticipate our needs, raising questions about privacy, data control, and dependence on technology. Finally, Kurzweil predicts that by 2040, virtual reality will become so advanced and immersive that it will be indistinguishable from the physical world. With VR's potential to revolutionize work, education, and socializing, the line between the real and virtual worlds could blur, introducing new challenges related to mental health, addiction, and our perception of reality. Ray Kurzweil's vision of 2050 is both thrilling and unsettling, challenging our ideas of what it means to be human in a world shaped by technology. As these transformative changes approach, it's up to us to navigate this future with curiosity, caution, and a desire to maximize the incredible possibilities that lie ahead. So, are you ready for a future where technology might redefine life as we know it? Share your thoughts in the comments, and for more intriguing topics, watch the recommended video on the screen. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel. It will motivate me to keep improving my work.